Guys, so this is part 2 of our Old Town photo shoot today. We have beautiful model Amy. Let's welcome her. All right, so we're going with more of a 1960s vibe. She's got a fur coat. All right, today we have photographer Chris.
Hi guys, today I'm shooting with the Nikon D850 and the 24-70 lens.
My name is Gio. I'm shooting the 5D Mark III and 85mm 1.2, and we have.
My name is Matt. I'm going to be shooting with a Canon T3i and my 1855mm kit lens.
All right, let's get it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so this concludes the part 2 of our Old Town photo shoot. Thank you so much to beautiful model Amy for coming out. She definitely rocked the faux fur. What did you guys think of the shoot? What did you guys enjoy the most?
I like the car
I'll say
a
the
lot.
car.
The car was a lot.
The
The car? Yeah, there was a nice gentleman. He actually let us use his car, so that was really cool.
So everyone give Amy a big follow. I'm going to provide everyone's Instagram handles below. And please like and subscribe to this video. It'll help us a lot. And if you have future suggestions for videos that you would like to see us do, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you want any more information, it'll be in the description box.
I can't do team. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, gone!
The shoot was a lot of fun. What did you think? Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun.
Camera squad! Camera squad!
Camera squad!
Oh, okay, I got it.
Go. Go. That was a lot of fun. What did you think? What was your favorite part?
I had a lot of fun.
Please, you sound like you're about to hit her.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Say it, bitch! What was your favorite part?
Can I breathe real quick? Let me breathe. Please. Let me breathe. I got it. I got it.
Because God blessed us with the words to finish this outro to get food cake.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to beautiful model Amy for coming out. I called your army.
Huh? Bitch, you in the army now, bitch! So I'm gonna provide everyone's Instagram handles below. Please give Amy a big follow because she literally slayed this shit.